Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup by Peach. Today's video is going to be a quick wig try on from Amazon. I got a new wig here that I'm going to be trying on, and it's the Highlight Ombre headband wig. I love headband wigs for some reason. It's in this cute little silky pouch, 100% human hair. Yeah, I knew they had a little headband. Oh, we got some lashes. Oh my god. I don't know if I'll be wearing these. Okay, but we got this little cute headband, a wig cap, and here's the wig right here. So let's just open up this bad boy here. I like. So I got the link is going to be in the description. So this is a 10-inch. It's a 10-inch ombre headband wig, beat wave. So let's try it on. They have a comb in the back and a comb on every side, on both sides. I'm sorry, this side, this side. All right, let's see how it looks. This is making me some baby hair. I feel like Tina Turner. Ah, what's love got to do with it? Okay, guys, just kidding. Okay, so that was funny. Okay, all right. So, I mean, the curls are so soft. You can just finger comb curls. I got me some edge control. Let me try to make some baby hair here. Okay. Not too much. Just gonna. I just like to just cover it back up a little bit. Okay, so this is actually it's actually cute. Let me try the headband it came with. Okay. Okay, so this is the headband that came with the wig, and just gonna put it on just like this. All right. Okay, here we go, you guys. I think I'm just gonna keep this down like this in the middle. Maybe just bring it a little bit to the front. I'm not gonna add any mousse or anything because I'm not going anywhere. So, I mean, it's human hair. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Let me turn around so you guys can get a back view. All right. What you guys think? I like it. Maybe not the headband with the this color dress I have on, but this is the wig. The link is going to be in the description, guys. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. I think I like it. All right, I will be wearing this wig. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.